All right, we're on acceleration question and problems set 2, question number 3 here. Give an example where both velocity and acceleration are negative. Okay. Well, first, let's establish which way is positive and negative, and which way is positive and negative is totally arbitrary. Usually we follow the normal, you might say, way of which way is positive and negative on a number line, like even if it was like a graph, like a Cartesian coordinate plane here, and usually you say positive is up and to the right and negative is down and to the left. But for a different problem, it might make sense to do it a different way. Let's assume, let's take somebody who's skateboarding here. And let's say that they're going to be skateboarding, in this case, the negative direction there, so they have a negative velocity. So they're going to be going to the left-hand side. Here's some air that's flowing behind them to try and give it a little bit of motion there, and some velocity that way. And the acceleration is negative, so he's going to accelerate this direction as well. Maybe he's like kicking off to the side there, and I'm not going to try to draw that because that would end up very terrible. And so what would happen here? Well, again, the acceleration is telling you which way the velocity is changing. And if it's changing in the exact same way, this acceleration means that the velocity must be getting more negative in this case because it's pointing in the negative direction. So sometime later, so like here, sometime later, after some time here, I'm not going to redraw the picture here, but the velocity would have to look bigger because it's getting more negative. It was already negative, and now it got more negative because the acceleration tells you which way the velocity is changing by over some time. Okay, cool. So more time maybe implies more time. That makes more sense. Okay, that's pretty much it. Have a wonderful day.